Good evening everyone, to those who can see this video in my YouTube channel. This evening, I will read Numbers chapter 3, verse 40 to 43 in Hebrew words. And also I use Step Bible in my reading. This Step Bible, so you can use it also. You can search it in Google. Just put Step Bible and then it's my first verse is verse 40. Verse 40. This verse 40. So let's start. First word is Yomer. Verb cal, 3 masculine, third person masculine singular. And then La Adonai, proper noun. And then El Mose, proper noun. El is preposition and Mose is proper noun. Pikud, verb cal, masculine singular. And Kal Bikor, noun, Bikor, noun, masculine singular. And then Zakar, noun, masculine singular. Livni, preposition. Then second, Yesrael, parse it, noun proper, masculine singular. And then Meben Hodes, preposition, noun, preposition, masculine singular. And then Wamaela, conjunction with adverb. And then Wisa, conjunction with verb cal, imperfect, masculine singular. And then at, direct object. And then Mispar, noun, masculine singular. And then the last word of chapter 4, verse 40 is Simotam, noun, masculine. And then let's continue in verse 41. Verse 41, Itse Welakata, at, direct object. Halwihim, article, masculine plural. And then Liane, preposition. La Adonai, noun, proper. Syntax niya is subjective. And then Tahat, preposition. Kal Bikor, noun, masculine singular. Let's continue. Bibne, preposition. And then Yisrael, noun, proper, masculine singular. And then we eat, direct object marker. Direct object marker. Next one is Behemoth, noun, feminine singular. And then and then halwiyem, noun proper, masculine. Then tahat, preposition. Kalbikor, noun masculine singular, and then bibihimat, bibihimat, preposition. And then bene, noun masculine plural, genitival pronoun. And then last word of verse 41 is Yisrael, non-proper masculine singular. Non-proper masculine singular. I'm done reading verse 41. Let's continue in verse 42. Verse 42, the short one in my reading. The short verse in my reading in this evening. Verse is wayep good. Conjunction, no, verb kal, 3 masculine singular. Non proper, mose. The second one is mose, and then the first is proper masculine singular. Non proper. And then kaaser, Shiwa la Adonai. And then Oto, Hem, Oto. Then let, direct object, Kal, Bekor. And then Bene. And then the last one also is Yisrael. Then let's go on to verse 43. Verse 43. Let's start verse 43. It says, Wayhi kal bikor, Zakar, Bemispar, Simot. Now the first word is verb kal. The second one is noun masculine singular, and then bikor. The bikor is noun masculine singular, and then Zakar, noun masculine, and then Bemispar, and then Simot, Meben Hodes, Wamala, conjunction with a verb, and then lepkodehem, Sinayem, Esrem, Elep, and then Selosa, Wesebem. The last word is Umatayem. Conjunction. What do you call this? Conjunction, feminine dual. Part of speech is number, feminine dual. I done with my readings and also the translation. When you open the Step Bible, it has already a translation. Call this translation in the above. And then that's all from this wonderful evening. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, good evening.